Hello everyone, welcome to Java Solutions. In this video I will show how to create a singleton class. Singleton class is a class that restricts the instantiation of a class and ensures that only one instance of the class exists in Java Virtual Machine. To make class as a singleton, we have so many approaches. In them I am using one of the approach called eager initialization approach. To make class as a singleton, we should follow a few steps. One is make the constructor of the class as a private so that other classes cannot create the instance of this class. And add one private static variable of the same class that is the only one instance of the class. And third thing is add one public method which will return the instance of the class. This method will be used by outsiders to get the instance of the singleton class. Now I am creating one class and making that class as singleton. For that, first I am creating the private static variable. The type of the variable is the same class. The name of the variable is instance. Here I am creating the instance of this class. And also I am making the constructor of this class as private so that outsiders cannot create the instance of this class directly. What is the error? Okay. Now I am adding one public method which will return the instance of this class. Name of the method is getInstance. Inside this method I am returning the instance of this class. The return type of this class is eager initialization example. I am returning the instance. Like this we will make the class as singleton. But this approach has one drawback. That is, we are creating the instance of the class even though client application might not be using it. So this approach is useful when the singleton class is not using more resources. But in most of the scenarios, singleton classes will be created for the resources like file system and database connections. In those scenarios, we should avoid the instantiation until and unless client calls the getInstance method. And also in this method we don't have a option for exception handling while creating the instance. So those are the drawbacks of this approach. In the next video I will show how to create a singleton class using lazy initialization. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and thank you.